Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear children? I hope all of you are fine and well at home. Today we will be learning the rest of the chapter, more features of Windows 10. Let's begin the class. Say the dua with me. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma. We know that applications in Windows 10 is our next topic. What is applications? In your mobile phones, you have many applications installed, right? When you buy a phone, some of the applications are already installed in it by default, right? Likewise, in a computer also, there will be some applications installed by default. For example, when you buy a computer, a Windows 10 operating system computer, sometimes a web browser called Microsoft Edge will be set as a default browser. That is, whenever you click any web link, it will automatically open in Microsoft Edge, which is a web browser. So, we can change the default settings. Okay, we are able to change the default application settings in the Windows 10. Also, Microsoft Store, this is like a Google Play in our Android. Microsoft Store can be used to install new softwares. New applications or softwares can be downloaded from Microsoft Store. We can purchase applications online. We can download them from internet. Okay. These are the basics to be known about applications in Windows 10. Some of the applications have been shown. First one, photos. This is a default application. Okay. In Windows 10, when we click the start button, which is here, we can see some photos, a photos application in the bar, applications bar. When we click the photos, we will be able to see the inside of it. This is the Windows 4 Photos application. The window for Photos application. What all are written here? Collection, albums, folders, etc. These are the photos taken in July. Understood? Why is photos used? It lets the user view the photo, edit the photo and save the photo. We can use it to view and also edit it, and we can also save it. You can also make movies. You can create any albums. You can add effect to your camera photos. You can add filters to your photos. There are also many other editing tools inside the photos. Okay, this application of photos is used for these all purposes. Okay, children. Next, mail and calendar. Mail and calendar is an application used for synchronizing with all the contacts in your laptop or in your computer. Various accounts will be there. You can, or the user can, keep all the contacts from the various accounts. You can keep all the contacts from various accounts. You can synchronize all the emails in the mail application, and in the calendar application, you can keep a note of calendar events and reminders. what do we do in the calendar? In the calendar app, if suppose there is a meeting tomorrow, I can set that there is a meeting tomorrow, it is a special day, etc. In the calendar app, we can keep reminders also in the calendar app. This is the icon for mail and calendar. Paint 3D. This application will allow the user to draw, to create beautiful illustrations. And we can add various effects also. We can add an effect called 3-dimension. A picture you draw is in 2-dimension normally. You cannot view it in 3-dimension. When you draw a house, you draw it in 2-dimension. We can view or draw pictures in 3-dimension, like how we see them. The pictures in 3-dimension can be painted in this particular application called Paint 3D. There is a wide range of colors we can choose from. There are different variety of brushes for painting, and also there are many objects also to choose from in this Paint 3D application. Okay. Next is Office. This is the drop down of Microsoft Office. These all applications are included inside the Microsoft Office. The application you are seeing now is Microsoft PowerPoint. You may use in future, you may use Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, etc. The Microsoft Office is a suite of applications. See, there are different applications inside the Microsoft Office. You can use the Office to create documents. Suppose you want to write a project, you will use the Microsoft Word document for creating any documents. For creating any presentations like this, you use Microsoft PowerPoint. This is called a PowerPoint, and etc. You can also use different applications inside the Microsoft Office for different purposes. Why is Microsoft Office used? The Office suite of applications can be used to create documents, presentations, etc., which may be useful in project work. Next one, calculator. We can use this calculator for doing mathematical operations. We can do it easily, we can do it quickly. This calculator tool helps the user to solve a wide range of mathematical operations easily and quickly. This is Edge. This is a web browser. A web browser. This is instead of Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, etc. This web browser is default in the Windows 10 operating system. When we buy a Windows 10 operating system, this will be there in default inside the computer. So this web browser will allow the user to access internet, to access online information, or see online videos, or we can use the social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. in this application called Edge, Microsoft Edge. So what all applications in default will be seen in the Windows 10 applications such as Photos, Mail and Calendar, Paint 3D, Office, Calculator and Edge. So children, we are winding up the class. Okay, I hope all of you understood what we taught today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.